Guys, I wanted to give you a quick update here before we start tearing down the rink for the year. The season is over, and as you can see, we now have a swimming pool, but I just wanted to show you what the lights looked like that we had for the year before we take them down. You can see the white painted boards look much nicer than just the plain plywood, and the kickboards here will be changed next year to plastic. They've done their job and they're starting to get a little bit rotten. The other thing you can see is, in addition to the big overhead lights, we had the twinkle lights, and we also had blue line and center line under ice lights. The blue line lights were already unplugged, so I can't show you them, but this is what we had this year. It was awesome. Little target there we were doing a lot of shooting at. Boards held up beautifully another year. Lights worked perfectly. You can see we just got them mounted on a 3/4 pipe with the cord zip tied up to another piece of conduit up there with a cap on it that the wires are wire nutted into to keep them rainproof. And you can see the door that we cut in to get the snowblower on and off. I gotta get some hinges on that this year.